Okay.
thought it would go through and then...
So how long have you had the garbage disposal?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years, okay.
Maybe...
Okay. Okay. See them trapped.
There's a way to open
Where's that?
this cabinet.
Over there?
Down here, yeah.
Okay. Oh, great. Oh, here as well?
Yeah.
For access. Okay, got you. Got you. I'm just kind of perplexed by the drain set up here because I don't see a trap anywhere. I don't see a P-trap here. You know what a trap is?
No.
Where's your bathroom? Is there a bathroom here?
Here's one, and upstairs we have two.
Okay. How do you open this? Do you slide this or what? Oh, thanks. So do you see this? See the way it's like a U? See that U? That stops sewer gas coming into your house, okay? So there's water here 24/7, and that water would stop gases from the city, from the sewer, from the city pipe coming into the house. Do you ever get it? Is it very smelly here all the time? No.
Sometimes, yeah, I can feel a little bit.
Can you? Yeah.
A little bit, yeah. You know, I always use the snake on the other side. It worked.
Okay. Well, I just need to make sure that the blockage wasn't in between here and there.
Okay.
And I wanted to get the water out. I wanted to suck out as much water as possible, so that if I open this, I don't get all this water going to there, and you'll get mold. You'll have mold, and I'll buckle the floor. I'll buckle, drywall and stuff. It was a lot of water there, so I just wanted to make sure. Usually, I'll just do one run of the snake to make sure that here to there is good. And while I'm at it, I might as well just go all the way. So I'm just going to do one turn. I'm going to do one turn of it, and then after that, once all the water has gone out of it, I'll just go up there. That's where I should get it there. Easier than here, but protocol means I have to. I need to confirm that it's in here first or not. But yeah. Anything else that you remember from the last plumber?
Nothing actually.
No. Awkward setup, man. What an awkward setup. GoPro disconnected there. Slowly going through. Yeah, I think we're good. Yep. So it's been running for the last 5 minutes or so, 6 minutes, with suds. Hello, with suds inside it, so we're good. I can hear it. I can hear it venting. I can hear air getting in behind the water. I can hear it echoing inside your piping. Is there a bathroom up above us? Yeah, okay.
What about the trap there?
There actually is a trap there. It's underneath. It's underneath. You only see that in like new condos. The new condos that we see nowadays. They have the trap underneath the level here, underneath the floor here.
Okay.
It's concealed. But I've seen it before where people just, you know, handyman. I thought it was a handyman job where they didn't put one in. But yeah, I'm happy enough with that. I'll reassemble the drains and then I'll do a couple of full sink tests. And that'll be it. Swirl treatment. That's the trick. Should trademark that. That's it for this one, I think. No leaks. No leaks. And yeah, I wonder where your dishwasher is tied into. So normally the dishwasher discharge pipe that spits out the water would be tied in to the garbage disposal, and it's not tied in there at all because the connector is right there at the back and I can see it right there and there's no pipe going to it. So maybe there could be, maybe this could be tied into the pipe. Maybe there could be sewer gas coming into there. That could be the source of your smell. Okay, not to spook you or anything, but just an observation. Is there access at the back there?
No, there's a hole here.
Oh yeah, that's water. That's water supply. Maybe it has its own drain. Oh yeah, I think there's a drain there. Maybe it's tied in there. Okay, interesting.
You still need this box open.